Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to bring a little slice of relaxation right into your home, the Carepeutic KH385L-B Deluxe Hand-Touch Kneading Rolling Shiatsu Foot Massager. We found this fantastic foot massager online and have included a link in the description for you to check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Carepeutic KH385L-B? This foot massager is designed to provide a comprehensive massage experience, targeting the feet and calves for maximum comfort. It features a sleek, ergonomic design that not only looks great but also supports your feet and calves effectively. The goal is simple: to help you unwind after a long day, relieve tension, and combat fatigue. One of the standout features of this massager is its kneading and rolling motion. Inspired by traditional shiatsu techniques, it mimics the skilled hands of a masseuse, helping to release everyday tension and promote relaxation. This can be especially soothing for those who spend long hours on their feet, providing that much-needed relief. Another significant aspect is its circulation-friendly design. The Carepeutic KH385L-B is engineered to stimulate blood flow, making it a great option for anyone feeling the aftereffects of a long day spent standing or engaging in physical activities. This is particularly beneficial for athletes, busy professionals, or anyone who experiences foot fatigue. But that's not all. The massager offers customizable programs, allowing you to choose from 4 automatic modes or manual settings. This means you can tailor your experience to fit your specific needs, whether you're looking for a gentle massage or something more intense. Plus, with adjustable intensity and direction, you can easily switch up the speed and movement direction to suit your comfort level. Now, who is this foot massager suitable for? Well, it's perfect for anyone seeking relaxation and relief from tension in their feet and calves. Whether you're a busy professional, an athlete, or simply someone who wants to pamper themselves after a long day, this product could be a game changer. It can also be a thoughtful gift for loved ones who might appreciate a little extra care for their tired feet. In terms of practical use cases, imagine coming home after a hectic day, slipping your feet into this massager, and letting the soothing kneading action melt away your stress. Or perhaps you've just finished a workout, and your feet are screaming for attention. This foot massager can help speed up recovery and refresh your tired feet. It's also great for those who spend long hours working at a desk or standing, offering a quick way to recharge during a break. In conclusion, the Carepeutic KH385L-B Deluxe Shiatsu Foot Massager is a versatile and effective tool for anyone looking to relieve foot tension and fatigue. With its ergonomic design, customizable settings, and Shiatsu-inspired motion, it's a wonderful addition to your self-care routine. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.